Up against the 8th seed in the division. First, how are you motivated against this team in the first round?
Of course, we are very motivated. We won the cup already. We won the regular season, but when we started the season, we only had one ultimate goal, and it was to win the championships. And now we have to start on Thursday the playoffs and start them well and see how it goes.
It's often been said that defense wins championships, and Stjarnan is a defensively heavy team. Can you talk about how you think your defense is going to get you through the first round against Grindavík?
Oh well, we try to always play good defense. It means different things against different opponents. But I think we have a deep team. We have to use that as an advantage to put pressure a lot and try to wear them down, kind of.
In the last two games against Grindavík, Stjarnan has shot less threes than normal. I'm wondering, do you look to slash more against this team, go into the paint, get fouls, anything like that?
Not really. I didn't know that, but I don't know. Maybe it's also what choices they are making. It's not only about us, of course. If I have an open shot, and there's many players in our team, Lenir and Brandon, for example. So of course we're gonna take those. But if they have made a decision that they won't, they're not gonna allow us to do that, but they allow us to do something else, that we just have to adapt to that on Thursday. And after Thursday, it's like who wins the team, the winner team, the losing team will have to change something, and then it's just kind of a coach's decision, chess, the winner's gonna think or try to guess what the loser's gonna change and how we're gonna add to that. And, it's only Thursday, it's nothing more.
All right. The matchups in the game, you'll definitely be going up against, I'm guessing, Clinch or Ole Ola, something like number 14, Ólafur Ólafsson. They're both high volume scorers. How important is it for you to defend well against your matchup?
Of course, in playoffs it's all about defense, and but it's also team defense, more than what it is maybe in a regular season. You scout more, you take some things away more, and I think everybody needs to be in our team needs to be in the same level of what we want to do. Of course, they are so good players. You can't take everything away. When you can take first and maybe second option what they want to do most, then that's pretty good.
All right. Well, good luck in the first game.
Thank you.